everyone, welcome back to the Sarah channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my bedroom, just so that you can have some inspiration for your own bedroom, and also so that you can get used to the environment that my videos will be mostly filmed in. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we go. This is my bedroom. I will give you a 360 view real quick. Okay, so hi. You can see me in the mirror. So this is the main part of my bedroom. This is the size of my bedroom. Okay, so I'll start from the door going left around in a circle. Okay, so this is my little dresser here, I guess you could say, or a nightstand, where I get ready for bed. I have my lotions here and chapstick and stuff. And then I have my little drink that goes here, my water. And then I have a little picture there of me and my brother. My clock, which you cannot see very well. Nope, can't see it, but it's on. I have some artwork here that I made a couple days ago. The rules of my bedroom. And a little dream catcher there. And then just some drawers full of bags and stuff. This is my closet. And I have clothes in there. This is my little pink fluffy chair that I got for Christmas when I was 6, not a couple years ago. And I've got a little throw here that I got last Christmas, and all my stuffed animals from my childhood. Oh, and here I've got this cute little succulent there. So adorable. And that's my window with purple curtains. Really bright. Okay, so this is my fan. That's my fan. This is my desk that I do stuff at. I have this pink lamp here that my nana gave me. I have this I made this pencil holder out of a bean can and decorative tape. And then I've got all my stuff in there, all my pens. I've got this tape. Why am I showing you all my stationery stuff? Okay, anyway, I've got this thing of ink and then my post-it notes, my computer, my iPad, my mouse, my to-do list, which is mostly done. March 2020. This is my little calendar. You can see there. Dissections and biology. Okay. Okay, so this is my bed. I've got a cute little sheet thing here, my bed blankets. I've got tissues. All my artwork is up here on this wall. You can see not very filled up, but I should do more and fill it up. This is a heart, another gift from my nana. Then I've got the curtains here that match the color of my pink walls, and those the purple walls match the color of this curtain. So then there's another window, and then yeah. And here's Patoris. If you watched my vlog video a couple videos ago, then you will know him. And here's Buddy. Hi, Buddy. And this is my memory desk with all my memory stuff on it. I've got my little snow globe here from when I was a baby. This doll that's never been opened, a lot of years old. Jewelry box. Just random stuff, you know. Oh, there we go. There's stuff up there, too. More memories. Oh, look at that. When I'm 100 years old, I will take a walk with Luke. This is my little doctor's wall here. Let me back up a little bit so you can see. There's Sarah, and then the doctor's wall. Got my stethoscope, my light thing. Don't remember the name for it. And, oh no, it's not going to stay now. It's just up there with little tacks. And then my first aid kit. Here's my mirror. Hello again. I have all these cute little pictures. Cute little pictures. Luke. And then there's me and my friend. My friend made that for me. So Bible verses. And this is my little cubby hole section. Kind of uneven and light because of the window. But I have my salt lamp here. I forgot to turn it on before the video, but that's my salt lamp. I also have salt lamps if you didn't see them. Little salt things above my bed. They turn on. This is my doorbell. I will show you my doorbell when we go out of my room. I forgot to show that too. And I have just some crystals here, sitting on this wood piece from North Carolina. And a little thing there that I did not make. It's just a painting. Got my books there, my get ready section. This is my purse and my Bible. That's just organization. Random stuff like folders and boxes. More boxes. This is full of, this is like my junk drawer of my room, but although I know where everything is in here. These are all of my magazines. There's a lot, like a lot. This is my little quote of the day. In a perfect world, every dog would have a home, and every home would have a dog. So cute. And that would definitely be a perfect world that we'd be in, because like we would have to be in a perfect world if we had that situation, because okay, anyway, there's more boxes, and then Febreze One fabric. That's definitely not an advertisement. No, it's seriously not. There's my little bookshelf again. These are my comic books, and those are my regular books. And then I have my little electronic station, chargers, headphones, walkie-talkies, you know, stuff like that. And this is my bag of stuff that I bring to my classes on every Thursday. And there's just a random net sitting there that I never use. But it's cool because it gets longer. Oh no, now I gotta close it. Okay, there we go. And now I told you that I would show you my doorbell, but not until I show you this. This is my clipboard. Okay, now here is my doorbell. Will it turn on? It's out of batteries, I think. Nope, it's not working. Only ring doorbell once. It may take a few seconds to ring. If the red light turns on, it worked. But the red light's not turning on. It worked! Oh, see, that's the notification that it's out of batteries. Okay, so that was my room tour. Thank you for watching. Also, I don't know if I mentioned it in another video in the past, but I do have a Sarah channel website. If you want to visit it, check it out. The link for it will be in the description, like always. It's always in the description. But I'll have it towards the top of the description so you can go see that. And also, I do have a 2020 goal, so if you are new to this YouTube channel and you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. My goal is to get to 100 subscribers, not only just to have 100 subscribers, but also because if I do have 100 subscribers, I can get a custom URL, which is where I can have my own website name, like not my own website name, but it'll be easier to find my YouTube channel. I don't want to keep talking too much, so thank you for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!